Hey there, health warriors. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate guide to cutting-edge wellness. If you're tuning in for the first time, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our transformative health tips. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of boosting your vitality and healing from the comfort of your living room with Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy, or HBOT. Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy isn't just any treatment, it's your new wellness superpower. By breathing pure oxygen in an environment like this, you're propelling your health to new heights. Faster recovery, less pain, and improved brain power are just the beginning. Benefits of hyperbaric chambers. 1. Increases circulation. 2. Decreases inflammation. 3. Reduces pain. 4. Boosts immune function. Picture this: supercharging your body's natural repair mechanisms, slashing inflammation, and rising each morning feeling rejuvenated. That's what stepping into this chamber is all about. Here's the science bit. Once you're inside, the pressure increase helps your lungs soak up more oxygen. This oxygen then travels deep into your tissues, revitalizing areas that traditional methods can't reach. The best part? No need to step outside your home. Innotherapies brings this medical marvel to your doorstep, crafted for your comfort and safety. It's like having a personal wellness clinic, minus the waiting room. Imagine having access to healing on your terms. No scheduling woes, no travel time, just pure, powerful health benefits whenever you need them. Are you ready to take your health into your own hands? Click the link below to explore our range of hyperbaric chambers and start your journey to peak wellness. If you enjoyed this sneak peek into better health, smash that like button, share this video, and spread the health revolution to your circle. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, health is wealth, and with Innotherapies, you're investing in the best. Subscribe for more health hacks, and I'll see you in the next video.